If you use D2L's Grades tool, it's natural that you'll want to make modifications to a course gradebook from time to time. In this video, I'll show you how to reorder, delete, and even restore deleted gradebook items and categories. I have here a simple points-based gradebook with most items in categories and a few on their own. The order in which I see them in my Enter Grades and Manage Grades pages are the same order that students will see them in their student grade report. I wish to rearrange the gradebook so that the video project and class participation grades are at the end of the gradebook, since they will be assessed at the very end of the course. Also, I need to rearrange my writing assignments as I created them out of order. To do this, I make certain I'm in the Manage Grades page, and I click More Actions and then Reorder. Here, I'm presented with my gradebook again, but there are little drop-down menus to the right. These contain numbers. I rearrange these numbers to correspond with the order I'd like my gradebook to have. This can be confusing, however. The drop-down menus slightly to the left govern categories and items outside categories. The items slightly to the right govern items only within a particular category. For example, these writing assignments dropdowns only govern the order that these writing assignments are in within the writing assignments category. First, I adjust the dropdowns to make the video project and class participation at the end of my gradebook. Next, I'll rearrange the order of the writing assignments within the writing assignments category. After I click Save, my gradebook is properly reordered. Say I need to delete some grade items. I'll delete writing assignments 3 and 4. I click More Actions and Delete. I can delete writing assignment 3 without any trouble. Writing assignment 4 seems to present a problem. This box is grayed out, and I am unable to check it. This is because writing assignment 4 is connected to some piece of course content within D2L. This can be, for example, a quiz, a Dropbox, or a discussion. If I click the question mark next to writing assignment 4's name, I can see that in this case, the grade item is connected to a Dropbox. In order to delete this grade item, I must first detach it from the Dropbox. To do that, I go to the Dropbox area and into that particular Dropbox's editor. There, within the grade item dropdown, I choose None. Then I click Save and Close. This Dropbox is no longer connected to the writing assignment 4 grade item. I can return to the grade screen, and I can successfully delete writing assignment 4 grade item. If I've accidentally deleted a grade item from my D2L gradebook, I can restore it. Let's say I wish to restore writing assignments 3 and 4. I click More Actions, and then Event Log. Here I can see anything that's been created or deleted in this gradebook. I simply find the items I wish to restore and click Restore next to their name. Then I can return to the Manage Grades screen by clicking the link on the breadcrumbs trail in the upper left. In a points-based gradebook, deleting or restoring grades will lower or add to the total points possible for the course. In a weighted gradebook, deleting or restoring grades might change the value of other items within categories, or even create a discrepancy where grade item weights in the course no longer sum to 100%. So a weighted gradebook might require additional adjustment of grade item values.